What's up, guys? Welcome to another video with your buddy the Roller Coaster Crafter, and today is the day that the construction of all the 2020 NEX coasters begin, starting with Edgepoint. This is my custom coaster concept, and basically this is a new type of coaster concept, and the new concept is basically you are going to be fixed to the track in a horizontal position. So basically, for example, I'm gonna take my buddy Jack right here. So let's just say you board the train like this, but as the ride goes through, oh shoot, it got stuck. But as the ride goes through, as you can see, the track then levels out. So basically, once the train levels out like this, you will then come into the sideways motion, and then you will be riding the coaster sideways. How cool would that be? But obviously, that would take a lot of work, but I'm going to create a layout that I drew out earlier, and I'm also going to kind of walk you through how this is going to work and everything, and it's going to be a really cool coaster to build. I can't wait to see how this turns out and everything, and it should be a really cool coaster. So I'm gonna quit blabbering now. Pay attention to the time lapse. I'll be also talking through the video as well, so enjoy today's video. And this is the first coaster of the 2020 season for Roller Coaster Crafters. So here we go. So unfortunately for that day, I did have to cut short, but so far I have gotten through the lift hill and the drop is about to be ready. But for you guys, I did want to show you the layout, and it does look like this. This is kind of the layout of how the coaster is going to go and what the logo is going to look like. So this is going to have some pretty cool maneuvers. I cannot wait to show this to you guys, and this is going to be a really great coaster for you guys to see. So thank you everyone for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos, as I will keep them coming. Thank you guys. I will see you next time on the Coaster Crafter channel. Peace!